Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Sharp SMD3070ASY microwave drawer oven. I've looked through the internet, checked user feedback, installation notes, and real-world experiences, and I'm going to help you figure out whether this microwave drawer is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest feature here is the design. The drawer-style opening completely changes how you interact with a microwave. Instead of lifting hot dishes upward, you pull the drawer out and place food inside at waist level, which many users online say feels safer and more ergonomic, especially when handling liquids or heavy plates. The concealed angled control panel also stays hidden until you need it, giving the kitchen a very clean and modern look. In terms of capacity, you're getting 1.2 cubic feet of space, which is enough for everyday reheating, dinner plates, mugs, and medium-sized dishes. It's not meant for large family baking tasks, but for daily kitchen use, it's more than sufficient. The 950-watt power output sits in the standard range for drawer microwaves, meaning it heats consistently, but not extremely fast compared to high-watt countertop units. The control system is another highlight. You get a touch-based interface with an LCD display, and it includes automatic defrost, reheat presets, and sensor cooking functions. The angled control panel is designed so you can see and operate it easily when installed below counter height, which is one of the main reasons people choose drawer microwaves in modern kitchen remodels. Now, after going through user discussions and appliance forums, this is where things get more realistic. The biggest praise for microwave drawers like this is convenience and design integration. People love how it disappears into cabinetry and keeps counters clean. Many homeowners also like that it improves accessibility since you don't have to lift hot food above shoulder level. Some users even say it feels more natural when cooking in a busy kitchen. But there are also some trade-offs you need to know about. First, it's expensive compared to regular microwaves. You're paying a premium mainly for the built-in design and mechanical drawer system rather than extra cooking power. Second, installation is more complicated. It usually requires proper cabinet cutouts and professional fitting, which adds to overall cost. Another common point from user feedback is speed. At 950 watts, it's perfectly fine for reheating and defrosting, but not the fastest option if you're used to higher-powered countertop microwaves. And like most drawer-style microwaves, you also don't get a top-down view of your food while it's heating, which some people find less practical. Reliability-wise, opinions are mixed. Some long-term users report years of smooth operation, while others mention occasional issues with drawer mechanisms or control panels, especially after heavy use. That's something to consider because repair costs can be higher than standard microwaves. So after looking through everything online, here's the honest take. The Sharp SMD3070ASY is more of a design and convenience upgrade than a performance upgrade. It delivers a clean built-in aesthetic, safer access, and solid everyday microwave functionality, but doesn't really improve cooking speed or power in a major way. So, should you buy it? If you're remodeling your kitchen, want a premium built-in look, value counter space, and like the idea of a more ergonomic microwave setup, then yes, this is definitely worth considering. But if you just want the best performance per dollar or don't care about built-in design, a high-quality countertop microwave will give you similar results for much less money. At the end of the day, the Sharp SMD3070ASY feels like a lifestyle upgrade. It's not about changing how well a microwave cooks. It's about changing how seamlessly it fits into your kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.